but we have a lot of exciting things going on our farm. So I think what I'm gonna do with our YouTube channel, I'm gonna continue to post videos of our build. And they're gonna be once a week, and I'm sorry I missed the last couple weeks, guys. I lost the cord to our hard drive where I have all of the video footage on, so I had to go buy a new one. So, yes. So I'm going to be posting videos once a week on our build, and I'm thinking maybe that'll be like on a Wednesday. And then I'm gonna also be posting like a vlog type video, which basically is what we're doing now, once a week too. And I'm thinking maybe on Sundays. I don't know exactly which day it'll be, but I think Wednesday and Sundays would be a good day for people to watch. And if that's not a good day, let me know. But I feel like that's a pretty calm day of the week. That's usually when I like to relax and watch videos too. So we have so much going on right now. Let's see. First off, Brantz quit his job, so that's super exciting. How do you feel about that, babe?
Fine.
You feel fine about it?
Just fine.
Just fine.
Oh, you want to carry this? Can you handle that? I'm trying to delegate. No one wants to work.
No one wants to work. You don't want to work. Nope. So, we are going to be self-employed from now on. Between the farm, we don't make any money from YouTube, that's for sure. So we're going to be trying to get our farm business up and running. This year we finally figured out what we want to farm. I'm going to start an herb farm. So you can follow us on our Instagram at Little Farm Folk, or our farm Instagram at Lattimore Valley Herb Farm. And then we have one more thing in the works too, but we can't tell you quite yet because we're not really sure how it's going to pan out. But we'll keep you updated on that. So in the meantime, we are spending our day right now cleaning out the basement. Here, we are a family of 6 living in 620 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath log house on a 7-acre farm. So we're cleaning out the basement, I said this a few times, to get our seeds ready for our farm. So we have some trays right here that we've started with our lights. You can see. And then we've got on heat mats. So our goal for our farm this year is we're going to be doing herbs, fresh and dried culinary and medicinal herbs. I'm probably going to start more culinary. I want to go more medicinal though, because I really feel like people need fresh local food and medicine, especially these days. And then we're going to be also offering pastured poultry, pastured pork. We have some cows that are going to go to butcher this year, and maybe some classes when we can kind of get our lives together. So that is our very exciting, very busy life right now recap. But it's really excited. We've taken years to get to this point, to be able to do this, to be hopefully financially independent. And it's just kind of one more step towards self-sufficiency. I know it's kind of an unrealistic goal, but just that lifestyle and that mindset we like to keep. So we will see how it turns out. What you're doing here, so people know. Are you hardwiring the extension cord to it? Is that what you're doing, or?
Well, the extension cord's hardwired to this one.
To that one. Why that one? Because it didn't have a cord to begin with.
That's how I get power to it.
Yeah. So these lights they got pulled out of people's houses. They're just like extra lights.
Yeah. They were
so.
In an unfinished basement.
Yeah. So they came from an unfinished basement, and sorry, the dryer's on right now. And so they got pulled out. And so when they got pulled out, they just cut the cord. So there's no power cord basically to it. So you're putting the power cord back on it again.
Just wiring it up.
Just wiring it. Okay.
Just wiring it up. So we're putting LEDs in, and they're ballast free, so you don't need, or ballast bypass. You don't need the ballast or driver for these. Already built into the light bulb.
And that's because they're the grow lights.
And that's to the high bottom, to the LEDs. Just LEDs.
Just regular LEDs.
Ballast light.
So basically they're all going to be wired together now, right? They're going to be like we'll have 4 lights. And you'll just loop it down. That's the whole point. Okay. And so this extension cord is hardwired because that's basically our plug that goes over here where it's plugged into.
So there's ballast, which is this. That's a ballast for a fluorescent light fixture. And some LEDs require electronic ballast. These are ballast bypass, which means you don't need that ballast. You can cut the wires off it. This is the new light ballast inside it already. It's all pre-built, pre-assembled together. So you don't need a ballast anymore. So basically you're going to hardwire, because these are called tombstones, you're going to hardwire your hot and neutral to your tombstones. And depending on how the light is set up, depends on how you wire it. So this one, it's literally neutral's on one side, hot's on the other side. So easy. Easy squeezy.
It's a general rule of thumb with wiring the different color.
Just match colors, that's all you gotta do.
Blue to blue. Is your ground, is it the black or your neutral the black? Is that what that is?
No.
I don't know, Brantz, tell me.
Your neutral's typically white. Your hot and residential is typically black. And ground is green or a bare copper color. But your tombstone wires are usually blue and red and yellow and all sorts of different colors. So you can't really use colors when you're wiring these up.
I'm gonna have this down.
You're gonna take it down? Okay, can you do it without getting hurt? Or falling? Okay. Yeah.
I can do by.
Watch that camera though on that tripod. Let me grab it real quick.
Cause more damage if you don't.
I'm not going to do more damage.
You're not gonna do more damage?
No.
Okay.
Upstairs. This is the mess that we currently have to sort through. So,
Come on, Mom.
hi babe.